Hello team, my name is Emil and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Kubernetes on Windows. So kubectl on Windows. This is Windows 10. To download and install Kubernetes, you simply visit this URL. I will leave the link in the description soon. And you can visit this and install it. Download it. So go ahead and visit this page and click on install kubectl binary with curl on Windows, or you can use chocolatey scoop or widget, or you can download this file, download latest patch release, or if you have curl, simply go ahead and run it on your terminal. So click this link here, make sure it is downloaded, and just locate it and launch it. Click on more info, run it anyway. Okay, so that's done. Now let's see. It's there, it's been installed. That was so fast. Alright guys, so this is how you can download and install kubectl Kubernetes on Windows. Thank you for watching. Bye.